Are you cool? Because I'm going to be dropping some hard Thor news science upon you. Stay cool. Hit the button, baby.
I gotta take Fight Club up a notch.
Wave after wave after wave. Ladies and gentlemen, I have been the Rain Man of Rain Bands for a few years now, and they keep getting bigger and more shapely, or more shapelier. And tonight, November 25th, 2018, 3:31 a.m., I am watching the culmination of one of the most important, verifiable science theories at Thor News, and that is the Rain Band Loop of Doom, or Trouble. So this right here, this giant loop that is out in the Atlantic, is about to be a snake that eats itself. And that is kind of exciting in a very scary way. Because this represents rain, sleet, snow, wind. Let's watch it in live action. So we have giant loops seeming to want to form in the Pacific and Atlantic. This is definitely a situation. But see how all this moisture is looping back into Greenland, Canada, and then somehow find its way back into America. Some of it, I imagine. See the two parts right there? They're about to hook up in these two parts. So this is a wild moment in Earth. Weather changes in Thor News, Earth changes history. There's no reason for carbon to be creating giant loops in the atmosphere, is there? And there's the loop. It's souther, though. People be like, is that real science? There's no word of souther. Okay, we got a lot of moisture coming into the West Coast. Yeah, we are on high alert for sure. Look at that. That's wild. So this right here is the magic space. It's crazy orange. If it does hook up, it will have made, if these two parts connect, it will have made a perfect loop out in the Atlantic. Man, I don't even know. There's so much going on right now. And then, no surprise, West Coast, you have a whole lot more moisture coming in. The model's got some parts of the storm wrong, but this is what the GFS says it should be, but these two components are, this is actually pushed deeper in, and this is pushed deeper out to form our almost loop. So this is all very, very fascinating. Man, the weather's never boring these days. The weird just gets weirder. Well, there's our loop right there, about to take shape for the first time. This is a big moment. Is it super dangerous right now? No, but it's going to keep showing up. Eventually it will be dangerous. Everything that's going on is wild. You know, if 97% of scientists didn't only concentrate on carbon, they could notice shit like this too. There seems to be a bit of a breakup in the depth of moisture, but our loop is forming. Our giant rain band loop is forming. This is history. Glad you're here with me. But yeah, there's totally, absolutely wild stuff going on all over the planet right now. But look at that loop form. And then it's got the equatorial electrojet moisture line reload pattern coming up through Mexico, through Texas. These are crazy days indeed, my friends. And we should start getting ready as these Earth changes get more changier. So everybody just stay cool and get ready for a stormy end of November and a stormy beginning of December. Smoke 'em if you got 'em. Fantastic. All right, is everybody clear? That's it. That's all this video is about. And then let's be on our toes. This is a Thor News presentation. Deal with it. Hit the button, baby.
WTF. Planetary defense is a team sport.
Go ahead and take this very seriously.
Stay cool.